monkey disease.
Nongpo MLA Mirabon's aim said goods trains would make commodities cheaper and would not be a threat to the existence of the indigenous people of the state. While speaking to reporters, AIM said that goods trains are needed, but there is a need to have legislation such as the Inner Line Permit and the Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act. He said that talks have been held with the stakeholders and pressure groups to reach a consensus on the railway project. It may be mentioned that the state government is exploring the idea of connecting the Jainta Hills with railways after years of opposition to the project to run goods and passenger trains through and from capital Shillong.
We should welcome goods train services. The reason it will ease down price rise and other issues within the state, easy communication and all. On record, I would like to say that why we are pushing for Meghalaya Residence Safety Security Act, why we are pushing for Inner Line Permit, for the safety of our own people. Goods train is very needed, we need in our state, but at the same time, we have to position ourselves with certain legislation, certain act, so that we can protect the indigenous people of our state also.